Hello noble tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the top 10 tech job challenges for 2024. So if you're planning your career path or considering a switch, stay tuned. Ever wondered what challenges the top tech jobs of 2024 might face? In the rapidly evolving world of technology, the importance of tech jobs is skyrocketing across all sectors. From startups to big tech giants, everyone is on a relentless pursuit to harness the power of technology and carve out their unique space in this digital realm. But as we plunge deeper into the tech abyss, the challenges are also mounting. The quest to stay ahead, the pressure to innovate, and the need to secure our digital assets are just a few of the hurdles faced by tech professionals. This video will take you on an intriguing journey, exploring the top 10 tech jobs of 2024 and the challenges they're likely to encounter. From cybersecurity specialists to AI ethicists, we'll delve into the unique hurdles each role might face in the near future. So, let's dive in and start our countdown with the 10th tech job. At number 10, we have cybersecurity specialists. These tech gurus work tirelessly to keep our digital world secure. Imagine your job being a never-ending game of cat and mouse, with cyber threats evolving just as fast as the defenses designed to counter them. That's the life of a cybersecurity specialist. They exist in a realm where staying on top of new technologies is not just a perk, but a necessity. The digital landscape changes dramatically and frequently, and these specialists must adapt at the same pace. It's like trying to hit a moving target while running on a treadmill. But the challenges don't stop there. Cybersecurity is a field that demands continuous learning. With every new technology, there's a new potential vulnerability to understand and guard against. The learning curve in this job is not a curve, it's more of a vertical climb. Now let's move on to the 9th top tech job. Number 9 on our list is data analyst. These tech wizards are the backbone of many businesses, making sense of the vast amounts of data we produce every day. But with great data comes great responsibility. In fact, the sheer volume of data to analyze is growing at an exponential rate, making this job more challenging than ever. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is the size of a city, and the needle is an elusive piece of insight that could change the game for your company. Data analysts need to have strong analytical and statistical skills, sure, but they also face the unique challenge of communicating complex data to non-technical colleagues. That's right, they're not just number crunchers, they're also translators, bridging the gap between data and decision-making. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. With that, we move on to the 8th top tech job. At number 8, we have AI specialists. These are the tech whizzes who breathe life into machines, enabling them to think and act like humans. But this role doesn't come without its share of challenges. One of the most pressing issues AI specialists grapple with is the ethical concerns surrounding AI. As they teach machines to mimic human thought, the question arises, how do we ensure these machines act in a morally sound way? Additionally, the field of AI is ever evolving, demanding constant innovation. Yesterday's breakthroughs are today's old news. Therefore, AI specialists must perpetually stay on their toes, ready to adapt to the latest advancements. Lastly, this job calls for a strong foundation in programming. Without the ability to write and decipher complex code, an AI specialist's ability to design and refine intelligent systems would be significantly hampered. So, that's the scoop on AI specialists. Next up, the 7th top tech job. Number 7 on our list is cloud engineer. Cloud engineers are the savvy tech folks who manage cloud computing systems. They are the ones who make sure your data is safe and sound, floating around in the digital ether. But it's not all smooth sailing in the clouds. These engineers face some challenging winds of change. One of the major challenges is the need for expertise in multiple platforms. Whether it's AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, each platform has its own unique set of features and quirks. A cloud engineer has to be a jack of all trades and master of all. Then there's the ever-present security concern. In the realm of cloud computing, ensuring the safety of data from cyber threats is a constant battle. It's like being a digital knight guarding the castle from invaders. And of course, the demand for constant upskilling. With technology evolving at breakneck speed, staying current is a must. Let's move on to the 6th top tech job. Coming in at number 6, we have DevOps engineers. These tech maestros are the backbone of seamless software development and IT operations. Their role is a fusion of development and operations, hence the name DevOps. But what challenges do these wizards face? One of the most significant hurdles is the need for strong coding and scripting skills. They are required to automate processes that software developers and IT teams used to do manually. Then comes the challenge of understanding both software development and IT operations. It's a bit like being ambidextrous in the tech world. They have to juggle code, cloud, and containers without dropping the ball. Adding to the pressure, they are tasked with continuous delivery. That's right, they ensure that software can be reliably released at any time. It's like running a never-ending tech marathon. Now let's move on to the top 5 tech jobs. At number 5, we have data scientists. These are the wizards who turn raw data into meaningful insights, guiding decisions in almost every industry you can imagine. Their role is crucial and challenging. One of the main hurdles is the need for strong statistical and analytical skills. Data scientists must be proficient in programming languages like Python and R, and have a deep understanding of machine learning algorithms. The increasing complexity of data is another challenge. With the rise of IoT devices and real-time data streams, the volume and variety of data is exploding. Making sense of this data deluge is no small feat. And then, there's the challenge of communication. Data scientists often have to explain complex data insights to non-technical stakeholders. This requires not just technical expertise but also strong communication and storytelling skills. Despite these challenges, the role of a data scientist is rewarding, offering the opportunity to make a real impact in the digital world. Next, we move to the 4th top tech job. Number 4 on our list is full-stack developer. This position is both exciting and challenging as it requires a broad skill set. Full-stack developers are tech wizards who can conjure up magic on both the front end and back end of web development. They are the multilinguists of the programming world, fluent in numerous coding languages. However, this broad expertise doesn't come without its challenges. For one, the demand for a deep understanding of both front-end and back-end development can be daunting. This means they need to be proficient in everything from user interface design to server-side scripting. Moreover, the tech world is ever-evolving, and the full-stack developer's role is like trying to hit a moving target. They must keep up with the latest programming languages and technologies, making continuous learning a non-negotiable part of their job. Despite these challenges, full-stack developers are a crucial cog in the tech industry machine. Now let's move on to the top 3 tech jobs. Coming in at number 3, we have IoT Specialists. These tech dynamos are the backbone of our connected world, weaving together devices and systems into the Internet of Things. Their role is a complex one, requiring a deep understanding of a vast range of technologies and programming languages. The challenges they face are numerous and ever-evolving. Security concerns top the list, as the IoT landscape is a tempting target for cybercriminals. Ensuring the safety of interconnected devices is no small feat, and IoT specialists need to stay ahead of the curve, anticipating threats before they materialize. Their work doesn't stop there, though. IoT specialists also need to have strong programming skills, as they are often required to write the software that enables devices to communicate with each other. This technical prowess, combined with their strategic role in maintaining the security of our interconnected world, puts IoT specialists in high demand. Next, we move to the 2nd top tech job. At number 2, we have blockchain developers. This role is steeped in the cutting-edge world of blockchain technology. It's a challenging job, but it's also a rewarding one. Blockchain developers are the architects of digital transformation. They build and optimize blockchain protocols, craft the architecture of blockchain systems, and design smart contracts and web apps. But it's not all smooth sailing. Blockchain developers face a unique set of challenges. The first challenge is the need for strong coding skills. Blockchain development is not for the faint-hearted. It requires a deep understanding of cryptography and decentralized technologies. The second challenge is the complexity of blockchain technology. It's a rapidly evolving field, and developers must constantly stay ahead of the curve. Lastly, blockchain developers must commit to a lifetime of learning. With the technology continually advancing, they need to keep their skills updated and their knowledge fresh. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the top tech job of 2024. And the top tech job of 2024 is the AI Ethicist. This is a role that sits at the crossroads of technology and morality, navigating the complex ethical concerns associated with artificial intelligence. As AI becomes more prevalent, the demand for AI ethicists skyrockets. They grapple with questions like, how do we ensure AI systems respect human rights? And how do we prevent the misuse of AI? The AI ethicist's job is not a walk in the park. It requires a deep understanding of both technology and ethics, a combination not commonly found. They need to comprehend the intricate workings of AI algorithms and simultaneously understand the ethical dilemmas that these systems can pose. Moreover, they must have exceptional communication skills. They are the bridge between tech gurus and the general public, translating complex technical jargon into digestible information. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 10 tech jobs of 2024 and their challenges. Remember, with great challenges come great opportunities.